shy away from doing it if you guys force me to. So Kavyan, can you move to this place? Yes. Move to this chair or move your chair to this place. And you guys, from today onwards, every mistake, each and every mistake, be it small or big, if that is creating disturbance in the class, if that is taking away the productivity of the class, I will put every count. Okay. So I'm putting everybody's name here. It starts with Arav, Advik, Ishan, Kavyan, Goshika, Myra. And I will keep on increasing the number one by one.
So what if it's like a math mistake? Will you want to come for that?
No, not that. Anything
Distracting.
anything that is bad, that is already been told not to be done, those are the ones that will score, make you score, and this is a score that you don't want for sure. Alright, so let's get to the class. Did you guys memorize the tables that we talked about last week? Okay. So, Myra, you also. You will note down when there's something to note down. I don't want you guys to be busy for no reason. Okay? Same thing for everybody, okay? Alright. So, we'll start with the tables first, and then we'll pick up a.
Could we use this?
No.
No, just sheet.
So those are the things that I don't take guarantee for, neither I prescribe. So don't do that. Now, let's start with Kavyan. Kavyan has been out of action for some time. So, tables till 10. Okay? 5 is there.
40.
6 9 is there.
54.
7 7 there. 7 7 there.
49.
9 8 there.
72.
6 9 there.
54.
8 8 there.
64.
3 9 there.
27.
9 9 there.
81.
11 5 there.
55.
12 4 there.
7 4 there.
12 4 there.
12 4 there. 48.
Okay. Anyway, that was a trick question. I was not wanting to check on 12, but yeah, I was just checking. I mean, it seems like you know.
Did we like learn from 13, 14, and 15?
We have time. Let's not rush for it. You guys come back from India. I will make sure that before you finish your 6th grade, you are done till let's say 17 or 18. Okay. All right. I mean, if you guys like. Otherwise, my guidelines are that kids till level 2 should know till 20, but by the time they finish 8th grade, that is when the level 2 completes. So I'm not trying to rush for it. Whatever you learn, you be solid with that. That is what is more important. Okay. So Kavyan did a good job. So clap for him. Clap for him without getting emotional. Okay. Clap for him. I did not get emotional, right? Okay. Okay. Let's come to Goshika. 9 8
72.
7 9
64. No, 63.
63. 9 9
81.
12 5
60.
11 7
77.
7 9
63.
6 9
54.
7 4
28.
12 9
108.
7 5
35.
9 6
54.
12 8 12 8
94.
96.
100.
Yeah. Alright. So again, round of applause for Goshika also. Very well done. Very solid with the answer. I can see the confidence when you are saying it. That's what I like. Okay. Only thing is, I would not want to celebrate because we still have to make sure that all the small things where we get caught, right? Trust me, you guys are still small child, okay? I've seen grown-ups who claim to be an expert in math and they have certain numbers that they get stuck with. Like some people who know till table till 12, till 20, but 9, 6, 54, they go wrong every time
Because
in
they
the first
memorize
place.
a lot.
No, not because of memorizing a lot. It's just a human thing. Okay, I mean, even if you
probably
do.
memorize the other tables instead of like that one. Oh, so you probably your attention more.
Sorry.
But on one particular calculation, your brain works differently.
It's
That's
like
the
if you put all the tables, sometimes computer can make errors just like humans. Like it's like the same way as a computer brain.
yeah.
That's what
Okay. We're not starting debate. I heard everybody. Okay. So good job, Gashika. Let's go to Ishan. Yeah. Table till 8.
Yeah.
That was our goal, right? 8, 9 there.
8 nines or 72.
6, 9 there.
6 nines or 54.
54. 8, 4 there.
20, 32.
6, 8 there.
6 8 or 48.
Okay. 5, 9 there.
45.
45. 4, 8 there.
22.
Okay. 6, 6 there.
6 6 or
36.
yeah, 36.
So, today, again, you guys have heard me complaining a lot. That's what every teacher does. That's the job of the teacher actually. To find faults, find mistakes, and then
correcting mistakes.
make the kids work on those mistakes so that things get better. So, I have been very, very much concerned about any mistake that happens or things that go wrong. Okay. Today I was very impressed after seeing Ishan's notebook worksheet where he has solved the problems, and he has solved the problems in a different way, which his dad told him to. Okay. So and he has done it right. So a round of applause for him also for doing his homework, doing everything. Don't get emotional. You're not making a. Huh?
I'm the only one that did my homework.
No, everybody has done homework. I don't ask anybody to bring it here. They don't bring it. But once in a blue moon, like what Ishan did today, I would want you guys to bring that also. Say, okay, I have done this one. Do you want to take a look at it? So, it's okay. So, what I'm saying is, in a way, it doesn't remain a message going from me to you guys. You also keep participating, keep giving me reasons to be happy. Okay? When I see the kids doing good job, that makes me happy. The gliders flight doesn't make me happy either. Okay. Anyways, so on a serious note, so good job, Ishan, but we are still not done with table till 8. Okay. I would want you to spend some more time.
Do we clap now?
Hmm?
Do we clap for them now?
Yeah. Okay. Don't get emotional, but do it like a gentleman, okay? Clap. Done. Okay? Alright. So coming back to Ishan, you have to memorize the tables.
Yeah, I only missed one question and I don't think
You missed one or two,
no,
but then what I want you to work on is the speed. Okay? 8 6 48. No, I would not want it that way. As soon as I say 8 6 48. I just want to hear 48. I don't want to hear 8 6 48. Okay, because that is what will help you with the maths. That is what will help you with the math. When you come across a multiplication, right? You would not want to repeat yourself. You see a sum like this, right? Let's say 98, 96 multiplied by 12, let's say. Or I'll.
Can I solve it?
No. I'm just giving an example, so no need to waste time for that. Here, 94, 72 plus 5, 77. I'll write 7, 7, 24, 9, 81 plus 7, 88. So, when you have that table solid in your mind, right, it helps you do your math faster. You don't end up spending a lot of time, and that's what the tables are meant for. Okay, let's go to. So I would want you to make it accurate and make it faster. Okay, that will help you increase your speed. Okay, Ishan. Okay. But I'm happy with Probably this is the first day when I'm very happy about what you have done. Okay? I would want to get more reasons to be happy about you. Don't get emotional.
This
Okay?
is like the best day of my life.
Don't get emotional. Don't get emotional. I'm just giving a feedback. Okay. Ishan, Kavya, and done. Let's go to Arav.
Yeah.
Like,
Stop
Son-
cheating, stop cheating. No,
Okay.
I was memorizing.
Okay, you don't have to memorize now. If you have done it in the past, you're good. You're doing it now, it's as good as not being done.
You
Okay?
memorized like 5 minutes ago.
Don't turn things upside down. Today is a good day, let it remain a good day.
Yeah.
Okay, 12 5 is
60,
6 9 is
54,
8 8 is
64,
1 9 is 12 9 is
108,
6 8 is
48,
9 5 is
45,
6 10 is
60,
11 9 is
99,
7 8 is
72,
56 7 8 is
77.
No, so two things, okay? You are always very loud. I want you to remain loud. Loud as loud as it comes to me. Okay? So I can hear it clearly. That's what I want. So don't suppress your voice. I was asking to control your voice, not to suppress your voice. Okay? When to speak is what is important. Now 6 9 ja.
54,
You be louder.
54,
Yeah. 7 7 ja.
49,
Don't shout. You heard what I'm saying, right? You understood. 8 8 ja.
64,
6 9 ja.
54.
Okay. So I don't think you have any problem with the table till 12. Just that you need to ensure a little bit of caution while hearing the question. Okay. If you hear 9 8 ja versus 7 8 ja, the answer could change. So your table till 12 doesn't seem to be a problem to me. You just need to be a little more careful. Otherwise, without any doubt, a clap for Arav also. Like a gentleman. You don't have to get emotional. Okay.
Oh, this is be quiet or else.
Okay. Everybody stay calm. Come to Advik. No cricket practice here. Okay. 7 7 ja. Say that again. 49. 8 7 ja.
56,
12 5 ja.
60,
12 9 ja.
109,
11 8 ja.
88,
8 9 ja.
72,
9 9 ja.
81,
7 6 ja.
42,
6 8 ja.
48,
5 9 ja.
45,
For Advik also. Good job. Who is left is Myra Advik. Okay. 12 5 ja. 6 9 ja.
54,
8 8 ja.
64,
7 9 ja.
63,
8 8 ja.
64,
7 9 ja.
63,
12 6 ja.
72,
7 8 ja.
56,
12 7 ja.
84,
8 9 ja.
70,
9 10 ja.
90,
11 8 ja.
88,
7 3 ja. 9 4 ja.
36,
Okay. For Myra also. Okay. In a gentle way, okay? Don't overdo it. Alright. So net yeah. Okay. Don't get playful and don't do which is out of syllabus, okay? In math class, if you are drawing, if you are talking about science, if you are talking about anything else, not in the syllabus. Don't do anything.
I'm just writing the video.
Okay. So don't do that right now. Don't do that. Now, whatever I asked, you have to answer that. That did not require any writing. I have not started teaching anything. That isn't requiring writing either. And whatever we will do, that will go in the video, so you can watch and refer also. Okay. So what is that we want to do today?
Algebra.
Calculus
Addition. I'm gonna actually be serious about it.
I actually have something serious.
Actually,
Okay, we'll do addition.
Actually,
I've done addition, right?
I actually
okay.
have something serious.
Huh?
I actually have something serious.
Yeah.
We can learn financial literacy.
no way.
What is that?
Financial literacy.
Financial literacy. Okay. Any unwanted event, movement gets you to learn addition.
Oh wait, if that's not the case, then can we do PEMDAS, order of operations?
Yeah. So we'll let's do financial literacy because some of you have not attended that. There are a lot of things that you can relate.
Can we do percentages? Like how to calculate that?
We'll do that. We'll do that also. So let's look at financial literacy and then we'll look at percentage also. Yeah.
Erase my
Fractions
numbers.
to decimal?
Fraction decimal that we have done enough.
Decimal fraction.
Decimal to fraction to decimal we have done enough.
Wait, can you please erase my number 1 because I didn't know because I started finding it unwanted.
Go slow.
Division and multiplication. Can you please erase my name because you never said in the start to do unwanted movement, but you said it now.
I did one of that.
Okay. First of all, everybody talks only as much needed.
Can you erase my name? Erase my number.
I will do when it's the right time. Okay. So give me a chance. Give me an opportunity for doing good or bad things. Okay. I am like a robot. I will behave very nicely if you guys give me a reason to behave nicely. I'll become not so pleasant if you guys force me to do that, right? I'm programmed pretty much. So based on what input you give me, my reaction changes. Okay, let's not go there. Okay, now on a serious note, so we are going to talk about financial literacy, and we'll talk about percentages also. So, what is financial literacy? Okay, I asked what is financial literacy. Okay, tell me.
So basically, it is
Keep it in 2 lines.
the economy or trading that humans use in the earth. Wait.
Okay, keep it that way.
Financial literacy is what the government uses to keep peace within everyone.
Okay, I'm not concerned about government. What is your definition?
Financial literacy is the way the government provide.
Correct. Financial literacy. Look at the English meaning of it. Financial literacy. When you are literate, meaning you have learned something. Okay. If don't do anything. Stay.
I'm just trying not to laugh.
No. What I'm saying is, okay. No, I'll make you not to laugh. I have way to do it. Okay, so I can control that. Now, what I'm saying is, when you say financial literacy, just break it into 2 parts. Financial.
Would it be money study?
Don't have to keep on responding to every word I say. I will let you know when you have to speak. Okay. Okay. I think literacy has 2 T's, right?
Yeah, it's 2 T's.
Okay, forget about it. You guys will figure out. Alright. So financial literacy means anything which is with money, and literacy is the knowledge. Anybody is literate means that person has some knowledge, has some basic understanding of things. Myra, what are you doing right now?
I'm just noting.
There's nothing to note down. It's more to do with how you think, how you relate things, okay? Don't keep on noting down everything I say, okay? Stop that, Myra. I don't want you guys to note down. So it's about knowing about financial about the basics of financial. Now, make it very simple. You guys go to school. You guys have an account in the school, right? Where it's called school cafe, where you can go and buy ice cream. You can, if you like something, you can buy that thing, right? Yeah. So, what is that? That is your first opportunity to manage your finances. You'll say, okay, you'll ask your parents, okay, can you put $20 in my account so that I can buy something that I want to eat on a given day? Your parents say, okay, fine. like I do. Okay, I'll put $20 in my account, and now sit down to eat all of it, use all of it on one day. She has to see whenever she finds something exciting enough, where she would want to spend $1, $1.5, $2, whatnot, from this account. Hands down, there's nothing to ask. There's nothing to ask. So this is your first opportunity where you have certain amount with you and you plan how you want to spend it. And for any of us to be able to do that, you have to figure out what do you have and how you want to spend it. Okay, now you.
So basically, when you say, like, when you put something in your account, is there like a limit that you can put in your account?
No,
Okay, that's I will park that question for now because that question doesn't sound relevant right now. Okay, I'll see what we're trying to understand here is financial literacy is a way when you look at what you have and how you want to spend it. How much understanding you have. Let's say now, if you guys have to start talking about the EMI of the house, the interest rate and all those things, probably you'll not appreciate that much. Because that is something that is your parents are taking care of. Like I take care of for this house. So, or this family. So, you don't really have to think about everything with respect to financial literacy. You have to only understand what are the things that you know and where your involvement is. Let's say you'll talk about, okay, whatever money I get as a pocket money or whatever I save through whatever it means, I will plan once I have, let's say, $200 in my account or in my piggy bank, I will buy a shoe for myself. That is one form of financial literacy. You are looking at what your savings are, how much it will become after a certain time, and then what you want to do with that. So basically, you look at what you have, how much you will make it, and how do you spend it by looking at different sides. When I look at my financial literacy or my understanding of my finances, I look at what is the salary I get, what are the different expenses I have, be it for medical, be it for house, be it for utility bills, be it for gas, for insurance, whatnot. Then I say, okay, fine, this much I make, this much I get, this much I get, this much I spend. Do I have enough to spend, or this month I have to cut down on some of the expenses? Right? So, in short, you look at what is your current or what is your balance, what is the money that you have, and how you want to spend it based on your understanding of all the expenses. People pay EMI for Ferrari. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have a Ferrari. Yeah. So that is outside my syllabus. That's one expenditure that I don't have to worry about. People pay for the rental of keeping their gliders or airplanes. I don't have one. I don't have to worry about it. Yeah. So that is, I know that, okay, even if that's the type of expense that people end up spending, I don't have to worry about it because that is not in my scope. I don't have that. People who have Mercedes, you can only put certain type of gas. You cannot put the regular one. You have to put the premium one. So that brings some extra expense. So people who have Mercedes, they'll have to look at that expense also. That's part of their financial planning. So all the different elements of your expenses and your earnings put together, which helps you plan your expenses for the entire month or entire year or quarter or day, that is covered as part of financial literacy at a very high level. Now, you guys will have a lot of questions about it. Let's say, what question do you have, Ishan, with respect to financial literacy? What do you want to understand?
Nothing.
Nothing? Everything is understood? Okay.
I don't understand, like, stock market and prices.
I don't understand that either. I would not overwhelm you by explaining that to you.
We're not on that part yet. We're not on that part.
Yeah, no, I'm saying stock market, I mean, I can certainly explain you guys what it is, but I would, okay, I'll give a very high level view. Stock market is a place where people share the, sell or buy the shares of a company.
Isn't like the stock market like where they have like a high
like a lot of stuff that they just like sell it on there?
What is that?
Is it like the stock market where they have like a limited amount of stuff and then people buy it?
Yeah, this was coming true. So hold it for a little bit. Stock market is nothing but a place. Any market, right? What does a market do? Fish market. People go buy and sell fish. Some people who sell fish, they go there. People who buy fish, they go there. If you're talking about a food market, you'll go. There'll be people who will be selling food items. There'll be people who will go there to buy food items. Yeah. Likewise, meat market, grocery market, whatnot, right? Same way, when you say stock market, stock where people say stock market, meaning a market where people buy and sell stocks. Now, what are these stocks? Stocks are nothing but shares. You will tell me what is share. Now, again, a lot of things revolve around English. When you say share, yeah.
Aren't shares like a bit of money that's taken from a business or company?
So I'll come to that. So share, when you say share is nothing but your share in the company. Let's say somebody says, I have 5 shares of Google. That person has something with Google that he has purchased, saying, okay, I have a stake in the company, I have 5 shares of Google. What happens is, let's say Google or any company, okay, when they say I want to go public, meaning I want to make the shares of Google available to everybody. Let's say Google says, my total company has, let's say, 100,000 shares. I want to go public and I want to make people buy and sell those shares. What happens is people will go and buy this many shares from Google. Okay? 100,000 shares. Let's say Advik bought 100, I bought 150, Arab bought 200, Maya got 75, Vasika got 160, whatnot. Okay? And okay, don't get emotional. Nobody has bought anything. Okay? I'm just explaining. Okay? So everybody bought shares and every share is worth some dollars. Google will say, I'll give you all the shares for $10. So when say Advik got 100 shares, he paid $1,000 to get 100 shares. Now, Google as a company is doing very good. Everybody knows Google. So, in the stock market, even if Google sold all the shares for $10 each, in the stock market when I go, I missed the chance, let's say. Everybody bought the shares, I missed the chance. Now I see that Google as a company is doing very good. I want to buy Google shares, but all the shares are sold. Somebody bought it. I will go to the stock market and say, okay, is anybody selling Google shares? People will say yes. I'm sorry?
It's like Facebook is where you sell them.
It's a market. Fish market, people take fish, go there, somebody will buy it. Okay? The seller decides the price. Saying, okay, I'm selling this fish for $10. You want to buy it? You say, okay, no, $10 is a lot, I'll not buy. Come home, it's okay. Seller will keep it with him. Somebody who is willing to pay $10, he will buy that fish. Same way, all the Google shares are sold. People like Advik, Arav, Ishan, Goshika, Kavyan, Myra, everybody has bought it. I forgot. I could not. I missed the chance. I'm going to the market, stock market, say, okay, is anybody selling Google shares? Ishan says, yeah, I want to sell, but I bought it for 10. I will not sell unless I get a profit. Wait. Ishan says, I'll sell it for $15.
So you give me $5.
So he's making $5 profit. I will say, okay, fine, I missed the last time, but I'm okay paying $5 more. It's my mistake, but I'll probably make more money in future. I'll buy it for $15 from Ishan. Now all the shares that Ishan had, I bought all of them or some of them. Now I have some shares of Google. Google as a company is doing very good. Let's say it keeps doing good, and everybody is liking that company. Then I go. Let me complete. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. I'll answer your question also. What I'm saying is, Google is doing very good. After I kept the share with me for maybe 2 years or 6 months, whatever. Then I saw that Google shares are getting sold. Ishan sold me for $15, but everybody has become intelligent and they are selling it for $200 now. The $10 share that they bought for 10, now they are selling it for $200. I got it for $15. I said, wow, I can also sell mine and make money. So this is how stock market works. Tomorrow, let's say Google starts doing bad. People start building a negative perception about the company. Share prices come down because driven by sentiments. People think, oh, this company is doing bad. They might shut down. Then my shares will become of zero value. Before it becomes zero, let me sell it off. And the prices start coming down. So this fluctuation based on the market trend or based on certain information, the stock market works. People go and depending on the sentiment of the day, depending on the price of the day, people buy and sell to make profit. Ultimately, it is for selling and purchase of shares. That is the summary of it. Advait, your question.
So what are Google shares again?
What is that?
Google shares.
What are those Google
Just an
shares?
example.
It's just an example. So shares. So let's say if I have a company, publicly listed company, okay, I will say that I will open up this many shares of my company in the market. People can buy and sell it.
No, what are shares?
Shares are your share in the company. When you buy a share of any company, it's like you become a partner, a pseudo partner. Let's say if somebody has, a company has total, let's say 1 million shares, okay? And you have bought one share. Out of 1 million, you have only one share of that company. Conceptually, you are a partner, but you are a very tiny partner. You will not be given much value.
Your first level.
Imagine a situation, somebody has 500,000 shares. Almost 50% of the share that is in the market. This guy is a very strong partner. He is still a shareholder, a partner. He is a very strong partner.
Whole company.
He can dictate terms. Say, okay, if you don't listen to me, I can sell all my shares, or no, I can kind of give you a hard time. That's okay. There's a car, there'll be car, people will come. What you worry?
I have a, wait, what if you won't know? What if you get all of them?
It's very early for return. Anyways, so yeah, what is the question?
During the Great Depression, the stock market crash happened, and $60 billion were lost due to shares. So shares are usually money in terms, right?
No,
Yeah.
money it's a valuation. It's not money.
It's like
It's a valuation on the day.
It's like a tomato sells for $5. That's a share.
No, so okay, I mean you can relate, you can give an analogy like that, but in actual terms, shares are not money. It's a valued price.
So
It's a
It's-
valued
item.
It's like a valued.
It's a valued item on a given day, which is driven by market sentiments, which is driven by company's performance, which is driven by based on how people look at that company or share. Okay. Tomorrow, if people say that let's say Tesla is a very bad company, they are making cars which are faulty, their batteries don't have life. I mean,
You
I'm
should
just
sue them.
no, let me complete. Let's not stay away from math. Okay, I'm saying people say that Tesla as a company is doing very bad. Their cars have a lot of defects. Their batteries don't have life. It takes long time to charge. Don't do that. Come back. So you guys make a good day, a bad day. Don't do that. All right. Stay there. Stay there. So once that there's nothing to note down. Okay? There's nothing to note down, nothing to draw. Maya, same thing for you also. Maya, don't do that. So based on that feedback coming in the market that Tesla cars are becoming more faulty, their batteries are not working fine, a lot of accidents in the recent past, people will say, okay, fine, Tesla doesn't seem to be as great a car like it used to be before. I'll buy a Lucid. And that sentiment starts hurting the market. People who are holding a lot of Tesla shares, they'll start getting worried. Oh, Tesla cars are not as respectable as it used to be before. Let me get rid of my Tesla shares and instead buy Lucid or whatever it is. So there are a lot of sentiments around it, and those sentiments are derived based on what people think and how this foresee the future of the particular company or the stock. That is in a nutshell about stock market. There's nothing more than that I know. Okay, I'm not a stock champion. I don't buy shares. Yeah. You saying something?
No.
Okay, you'll have a good time once you go home. Okay, all right. So stock part we understood, financial literacy basics we understood. It's as simple as how much money I have, how much money I earn, and how much money I spend, and how do I plan my earning and spending. Yes.
So you're not going to revise taxes and like.
We are, so taxes is one part of it. You guys will not have to worry about taxes, but I do.
Aren't there four?
Everybody's parents do. Okay?
Aren't there four taxes? What type of website do you use for taxes?
Don't, that is out of syllabus, okay? You will not go to the website to find out taxes. Myra, Advik, everybody here. Kavya. Taxes in simple terms. Whatever you earn, a certain percentage of that goes to government. That is called taxes. Why are you playing with that? If I do it like this, you will get distracted, right? Don't do that. Same thing for you. Everybody. Don't do that. Don't play with it. It's okay. That damage is done. Just keep it back or throw it in the trash so that you can focus in the class. Okay? So taxes is nothing but conceptually, if you look at taxes, it's a commitment to the government out of here. Nobody teaching on the road. Happy? Okay. So taxes.
I think there's a middle school outside.
Okay. There's a time he has come 20 minutes early. Hey Mitra, you're early. You can take a chair, wait for the class to get over. Yeah. So taxes in summary out of here. Everybody here. Taxes, if you look at it, taxes are nothing but a commitment to the government. When somebody earns something, part of that money goes to the government. That is called tax. And that tax is used by government for hands down, for putting everybody's hands down. The tax is used for putting everybody's hands down. When you do something wrong, there are cops, and those cops are paid by government. From where the money comes for giving salary to them, that comes to taxes. Hands down. The road on which we drive the car.
It also pays for people's school.
No, I'm coming to that. I'll go one by one. I'm giving practical example.
What if you
There's
don't?
actually 5 types of tax, but people don't talk about the 5th one.
Let's not worry.
It also,
Old tax.
Let's not worry about that.
well, it also basically, so what if you don't pay a tax? You
Cops are paid salary. You know why? Okay.
You don't get, the government doesn't pay anyone's salary.
Okay. So let's not get distracted. I know it's very tempting to get distracted. I'll not let you guys do that. So taxes are the money that we all of us, when we earn something, we pay part of it to the government. That is called taxes. Anything that you buy, any services that you avail, you pay taxes. That also goes to government. Let me complete. I'll come to you. And government uses that money for providing all the basic facility with respect to healthcare, with respect to infrastructure, with respect to security, with respect to the place in which we live, even with respect to heads down. Let me complete. Even when there's a fight happening between different countries, there's a lot of money that is spent on that border security, the army personnel. All that money that government spends comes through the taxes. That's why taxes are very important. So the question that one of you asked, what if I don't pay the taxes? That means you are compromising the government's ability. I'll come to you. You are compromising government's ability
What
to
if
do
you don't
everything.
have enough?
Wait. I'll come to you. I'll come to you.
And what if you?
Let me complete the sentence. We are not doing a debate. I'm just teaching you guys. Okay? I'll take some questions, but not the unwanted ones. So that is the purpose of taxes. Not paying taxes is not an option, but government is considerate enough. Government takes taxes only based on how much you earn. If you earn a lot, you pay taxes a lot. If you earn a little, you pay less taxes or no taxes. Okay? So that consideration government has already baked in the plan. So don't worry about it. Okay, now the
So
question.
if you don't have money, can't you loan from the bank?
Yes, that's what we do.
We don't have money and you don't have
I never had money to buy this house. I took loan.
What if you don't have a bank? And you have to return the same money to the bank.
You don't have to return the same money. Bank doesn't give you money for free. There's something called interest. Bank has interest in you only if you pay interest. Meaning you give them more money than what you take from them. That is the interest. Okay? How much and everything that we'll learn. Okay? Yeah. What was your next question?
So what if I use all my money on my bodyguard?
What is that?
What if I use all my money on my bodyguard?
That means government knows you have a lot of money. They will take tax.
No, what if I use all my money on the bodyguard?
Bodyguard? Those things are out of syllabus. I would not want to waste my time discussing about that. It will just be a waste of everybody's time. Okay. Who wants to laugh? Okay, don't do that. I can see, I'm very good at addition, right? That one can become two can become three also. So that's what I'm saying. See, it's not about you being wrong. It's about you getting noticed. So, see, if I go and steal something from a store, and the store manager doesn't notice that, I'm not a thief then, till then. The day I get caught, I become a branded thief, right? So, there are two things. One is don't commit mistakes and don't get caught. If either the two happens, you are in trouble.
When Aggie thinks he was making jokes about it, because he made me laugh.
No, so anyways,
That's not fair.
so that thing will happen on a much larger scale once you guys go to middle school. There will be a lot of unknown faces, and they will not be as good friends as you had in elementary school. So then you have to learn how to control your emotions, how you avoid getting caught, how you avoid landing in problems. You guys have a lot of knowledge. When it comes to implementation, that is where you go wrong. Don't do that. Okay, so we'll stop the class here. We'll probably talk about percentage tomorrow because that needs a more focused discussion.
That was a final stretch.
It was a short class, yeah.
He's stretching.
So before we end the class, right? Let's quickly touch upon what is percentage. At least touch upon. What is percent? Adil, give it to me. This is something that is wasting your time and that will waste everybody's time. If your parents tell that I wasted this one, you tell me what is the price for that one, I'll pay it.
It's $12.
Okay. Once you graduate from middle school, I'll pay you $12. Okay.
It's in Chicago.
Okay. All right. So
R.I.P. Penny.
you're the teacher. You'll get only additions. Okay. Yeah.
Percentage is basically like, if,
Hands down.
like,
See, there is a middle schooler laughing at you guys, okay? If you keep on repeating a mistake, he will laugh at you and you will end up in a middle school anyways very soon. Okay, yeah, complete.
so if you have like $100, 30% is like $30. It's big.
I will agree to your answer. That is a correct answer. It's not a wrong answer. But I'm saying, what is the percentage?
Percentage is equivalent to decimal in fraction.
That's also a very technical answer. I don't need that. I want you guys to think like a normal human being. I don't want you guys to get complicated with or get lost with your understanding of things. Advik?
Percentage is
No,
100.
you will anyway land in trouble and you are landing in trouble here also.
Percentage,
No, I told you multiple times, don't do that.
percentage is any number out of 100.
Out of 100. That's the simplest of the answer I want. Percent. It can be out of billion also. But percentage as definition says percent, per day, per hour, per minute. Cent stands for 100. Like you say century. See, I deleted everybody's name here to make you guys happy. But you guys have to do something to make me happy too.
But it's still got record.
I like your t-shirt. Your t-shirt is really good.
That doesn't make me happy anyways.
I subscribe.
I'm okay looking as dumb as possible, that's okay.
I have a question.
you guys will make me happy if you allow me to do the class effectively. Okay.
But you still recorded the names in the video, right?
Name of the video. Did she?
Huh? Didn't you record the names in the video? So
Yeah.
they'll translate it? Still.
That's okay. Those things, I'm not really worried about things that is not
I'm gonna.
equally.
I subscribed 6 times.
That doesn't help. That doesn't really help. If one person keeps subscribing all the time, it's only one subscription anyways. Okay? So
I put likes on the things that I watch.
that's okay. See, I'm not here to become a branded YouTuber. I'm okay being a normal teacher, a normal human being. Okay? So I'm not really worried about things that really worries you guys.
I don't stop watching.
Okay.
Now you can just make a Roblox.
Okay. Can you guys keep quiet for 2 more minutes before I finish the class? So, percent, cent, again probably a Greek word which is a short of century, meaning 100. Percent per 100. If somebody says 30%, meaning 30 per 100, what is that?
It looks broken, so the page is
Shall I start dancing for that? Put it down. No, see, don't take me for granted, okay? When I explain you guys that, okay, you do something good, that makes me happy. That means the reverse of that is also correct. Hands down, let me complete. So I'm saying, percent means something per 100, in 100. 10%, 10 in 100. 20%, 20 in 100. Meaning, if I'm talking about 100, then I'm talking about 20%. If I'm talking about 200, I'm talking about 20 into 2. So this will be 20%. How and all that we'll talk in next class.
Oh, so basically, whatever. So basically,
In
the
100.
more higher the percentage, the more lower it is because the more right the decimal goes to, the higher the percentage goes. No, the more digit. The higher it goes, the higher it goes. No,
I don't think I'm intelligent enough to understand what you guys tell. I learned it a simple way. We'll talk about that in next class, okay?
Yeah.
So this is what brings us to the end of this